Hello, children. Let us continue our chapter How Many Times. Our first topic is How Many in All. The Almirah has 4 shelves. There are 5 books in each shelf. How many books are in the Almirah? Children, here you can see in the picture that there are total 4 shelves in one Almirah, that is a cupboard. Now in each shelf you can see there are 5 books. Okay, so we have to find total how many books are there in the Almirah, that is the cupboard. So we will multiply 4 by 5 and you know that 4 5s is 20. So the answer is 20 books. Let us see the next sum. A shirt has 5 buttons. How many buttons would 3 shirts have? In the picture you can see that there are 3 shirts and in each shirt there are total 5 buttons. So if you want to find the total number of buttons, we have to multiply 5 by 3 and 5 3s is equal to 15. Let us see the next sum. There are 4 fans. Each fan has 3 blades. What is the total number of blades in all? Children, you can see in the picture here we have 4 fans and in each fan there are 3 blades. We have to find what is the total number of blades in each fan. We will multiply 4 by 3. We will get the answer 12. Let us see the next one. A box contains 6 apples. How many apples in all will 7 boxes have? See in the picture we are having 7 boxes and in one box we have 6 apples. In order to find the total number of apples, we will multiply 6 by 7. We know that 6 sevens is 42. Next one. How many corners would 4 triangles have? Here in the picture there are 4 triangles and we know that in one triangle there are 3 corners. So if you multiply 3 by the number 4, you will get the total number of corners. So we will write 3 4s or else you can write 4 3s. Answer will be 12. Our next topic is sum multiplication facts. First one, 8 multiplied by 3, we know answer will be 24. Next one, 5 multiplied by dash is equal to 35. In the table of 5, at 7s we will get the answer 35. Next one, 3 multiplied by dash is equal to dash. Children, here you can take any number to multiply by 3 so that you will get one answer. I am taking here the number 4. So 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Next one, dash multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. Children, if you see the tables, you will find that in the table of 6, at 6 the answer will be 36. That is 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. Next one, dash multiplied by dash is equal to 42. Children, we have to find two numbers which when multiplied gives the answer 42. So if we take 6 and 7, we get 6 sevens are 42. Next one, 10 multiplied by dash is equal to dash. Here also you can take any number, multiply it by 10 and get the answer. I have taken the number 5. So 10 5s is 50. Next one, 5 multiplied by dash is equal to 40. You know, in the table of 5, at 8s, you will get the answer 40. Next one, dash multiplied by 9 is equal to 36. If you see the tables, you will find 4 9s is 36. So, answer will be 4. Next one, dash multiplied by dash is equal to 54. Again, here we have to find two numbers which when multiplied gives the answer 54. So, we will take 6 and 9 as 6 9s is 54. Last one, dash multiplied by 7 is equal to 28. Again, we have to find one number which when multiplied by 7 gives the answer 28. So, we know that 4 7s is 28. Answer will be 4. Our next topic is multiplication table of 1. Children, here we will find the table of 1 in a different way. Let us start. 1 times 1 is 1 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 1. If 2 times 1 is there, then we will write it as 2 multiplied by 1. 2 ones is 2. 3 times 1 is there, then 3 multiplied by dash. Here 1 will come and 3 ones is 3. Similarly, 4 times 1 is 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. Dash times 1 is, here 5 will be there. So 5 times 1 is dash into dash. We will write 5 into 1 and 5 ones is 5. Next, 6 times 1 is 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. Similarly, 7 times 1 is 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7. Similarly, 8 times 1 is 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8. Children, you might have seen a pattern. Similarly, we are going to see one pattern in the 9 times table. Here it is given 9 ones is 9, 9 twos is 18. Now here the number 18 consists of two digits, that is 1 and 8. If you add these two numbers, you will get the answer 9. Similarly, 9 threes is 27. Again, add the digits in the number 27. You will get the answer 9. 9 fours is 36. Again, add the digits in the number 36. We will have 3 plus 6, that is equal to 9. 9 fives is 45. Add the numbers 4 and 5. You will get the answer 9. Similarly, next will be 9 6, that is equal to 54. If you add the numbers 5 and 4, you will get 9. Next one, 9 sevens are, yes, that is 63. Add the numbers 6 plus 3, that is equal to 9. Next one, 9 eights are, that is 72. You have to add the numbers 7 and 2. You will get the answer 9. The question below it is, did you see the pattern in the 9 times table? Yes, we have seen the pattern. Every time when we add the digits in the answer, we will get always 9. What numbers are adding up to 9? We get the answer 9 in all the numbers, so answer will be all. Our next topic is complete the grid by multiplying the numbers. Children, here a small grid is given where you have to write the table from 1 till 10 and fill the grid. Once you fill the grid, a question is given below it. Look at the cross in your grid. You can see here in a cross where the numbers are 3, 4, 6, 8 and 9. Add the numbers together from top to bottom. The numbers from top to bottom are 3, 6 and 9. On adding these three numbers, we will get 18. Now, we will add the numbers together from left to right. On adding the numbers 4, 6 and 8, we will get the answer 18, which is the same as the answer that we got earlier. Similarly, we have to look for other such crosses and we have to find their answers. You can mark anywhere these crosses. I have marked two more crosses which are red in color. Here, if you will add the numbers from top to bottom or from left to right, every time you will get the same answer. Let us see the first cross. Here from top to bottom, if I add the numbers 7, 14 and 21, I will get the answer 42. Similarly, on adding the numbers from left to right, I will get the answer 42 again. Let us see the third cross. If I add the numbers 20, 25 and 30, I will get the answer 75. If I add the numbers from left to right, I will get the answer 75 again. Next question is, mark the numbers 1 to 10 in the same grid in one color. Mark the numbers 12 to 20 in another color. Similarly, mark 21 to 30 in a third color. Do you see any color pattern? Children, on marking these numbers with different colors, we will get a color pattern like this. Next topic is, fill this space with your favorite multiplication table. Children, you have to write in this yellow box your favorite multiplication table. I hope you understood the concept taught today. Happy learning!